Hey everybody, this is a quick video to introduce an idea that I've had recently about live streaming analysis. I've put a fair amount of work into setting up the software so that I can broadcast live whilst doing analysis. I did this the other day for the Australian team Outbreak, who had played Hex at Australian Regionals recently. Here's a little clip from the stream.
This fellow Sean of the lace variety,
Yeah,
that throw is not going to be any
throw.
good, but Alexander with the awareness, he points.
Hit this guy, hit this guy. Yeah, nice.
He goes through the mark. Physical throwing.
Get out of this guy's in the narrow channel. Like this is a real bad spot, real bad place to be. There's another situation where you can turn inwards. Yeah, if his aim is to go, even if he wants to look this way, 180 degrees, you've got the choice of either turning around this way and seeing all your players and then looking that way, or turning around the outside where all you can see is the sideline. I mean, it obviously doesn't take long, but just having the back of the head pointed over here. I mean, this guy's free, yeah. Like, if he just stayed looking at this guy, that's definitely an open pass. You know, so I don't want to berate this guy because it's like it's kind of drilled into us. We've been doing this so long, playing vertical stack and conventional ultimate. You catch it and then you turn and look at the end zone. But if you look at the logic of it, you know, like, throw it to this guy. It's interesting the techniques that we develop when training ultimate in specific ways. All the training that's been done in the structure of stack offenses and one-to-one defenses, and how far down this path we've gone of refining our techniques to play into those systems. The fact that most players pivot outwards is just a reflection on the style of offense that we've been playing. You know, I think people do it out of habit and because they copy other players and because the systems are designed to kind of get you looking in those directions. But from a broader perspective, it can be seen that pivoting inwards is actually advantageous in most systems. The live stream that I did for Outbreak was kind of like a test, and I've been developing the software and stuff since then. I'm hoping to do regular live streams, sending out notifications beforehand so that people who are around and interested can come and join in. Viewers will be able to chat live to myself and to other viewers through the YouTube chat window, and that will also come up on the screen on the video, so it can be quite an interactive experience, and I'm hoping to build space for the community who are interested in this kind of analysis. I think it could be a really positive thing, and it should be a lot of fun to do, so I'm really looking forward to it. That's all for now. If you want to hear more about the live streaming and stuff, then make sure you subscribe and turn notifications on, and I'll see you again soon.